Good morning. Let me ask you, if you make 10 sales calls, how many people are you going to get live? Now, if you had one conversation in 10 calls, you'd probably be pretty happy. One of the sales challenges that I hear the most is, I can't get anyone on the phone. No one's returning calls, but certainly when I call, nobody's picking up. I get that. I've experienced the exact same thing. Except for now, except for today. Let me tell you what just happened. I just made 10 sales calls. I try to make 10 calls every single day. I have little tick marks that I put at the top of my notepad here, and then I made 10 calls. I had 9 conversations, 9 live conversations. And I don't think it's magic. You might think, well, maybe he called the same person 10 times. No. Maybe he's got a magic phone. No. But I do have a trick that I want to pass along to you, and it's not complicated. So I'm going to use an economy of words because quite honestly, this beer is waiting for me. It's calling my name. It's Friday afternoon. I made these calls on Friday afternoon. That's it. Whenever I ask a live audience, what's the worst day of the week to make calls, they 100% of the time say Fridays. And I ask why, and they say, because nobody wants to hear from a sales rep on a Friday. Everybody's thinking about leaving. And the exact opposite is true. This is a great time to make calls. I just spoke to and had wonderful conversations with 9 people. They were all in great moods because of the fact that it was the end of the week. So this is a really simple tip for you this week. Go make calls on Friday afternoons. Fill your Friday afternoon with phone calls. You will have a great response and you will earn that end of week beer. Have a great selling week. By the way, a client of mine does these labels. I'm just supporting them.